Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya Kabul ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka bakham scam kham step kham klan bat baduna bam umpnyang phone hagini number khandai hinyo saw not lai san lani khandai hinriu iwei san prasau hinyo san
ka District Social Welfare Officer East Jaintia Hills Kumjo ka District Sankalp Hub for Empowerment of Women East Jaintia Hills District Ringkat ka Jetrailang ka District Project Management Unit Meghalam MBMA ba District Mission Management Unit East Jaintia Hills District ha ka Pratrik Ulber Arjarapsan kila rakhi ya ka International Women's Day halor kapang for all women and girls rights equality and empowerment ya ka jelang la pelong hapo Cleriat West Community Hall ha ka jedon lang ka Emily ka Sutanga Saipung constituency but ka chairperson Assembly Committee on Empowerment of Women ka Kong Santa Mary Shala u Deputy Commissioner East Jaintia Hills District u Shivansh Avasthi Nalor kiwe ha kini kasi lapan ko buramru ya ka Beti Bachao Beti Parao brand ambassador ka Kong bat bid bhabare bat kikenthai ki bala job ha ki kam bapher lapan jongshit ya ka jingrakhi da ki jingshat tanrai na ki Anganwadi jong ka Saipung CNRD block
performing our collective responsibility to create a society that is just, equitable and inclusive for all. Let us all pledge to work together towards a future where women and girls are empowered to reach their full potential, free from discrimination, violence and inequality. Let us make this day a memorable one.
It is now what kakantai karo pa yunga e ucenrang pelai story u. Mau ngahawro ket lu yung wi ten sien handre embeko hapo ki imlang sa lang yung i wadang kenyi ucenrang le hak ila di u.
Kami po kini officer kami kamu nanti NGO gue pe ibai kan Thai dang tuna ti gue tahu hari ke siang i dang jiai ke chak sopor i chak le beng de bay nda tak ni wat ka mi kini ki NGO la ni lihat ke sarkar la de kini ki central yang ka kan ko OSC the yo iki case gue tahu dang buan hampia la de ong makana ke society yang i ke society gue yi de kan Thai Henry
So first of all, so we need to understand that although I think I am among the very few males present today in this program, but women issues are not just women issues. These are human issues. These are social issues, and all the stakeholders of the society, be it women themselves or male, all of us are responsible to ensure the theme that is for this year's International Women's Day, that for all women and girls, equal rights, equal opportunities and equal empowerment should be there. So especially my experience in Meghalaya, as we know that Meghalaya is a matrilineal society and we take immense pride in us being a matrilineal society, and we can see and observe also when I joined the state that in most of the places where I see now in the Kong shops, women are working, in everywhere women are working. So if we just see like when I observe this, I used to ask people, it means that women are really empowered, they are here, they are going out, they are working. But empowerment doesn't just mean this. Are they able to really take decisions in the family? Are they really able to take decisions in their community? Are they working as community leaders or not? So we have to reach this stage, and then there are things about women like their health status, their education status, their livelihood, whether they are going into the roles that are required, whether they are getting well-paying jobs or still they are doing the jobs which require a lot of hard work but may not be so much highly paid jobs. So those were the challenges, and I will share some of my experiences and what I have learned from last 5-6 years, what changes we have observed. So if you know that before 5-6 years ago, our state was one of the highest in terms of maternal mortality in all of the country. And then from the government took initiative to launch the mother program. We decided that we will track each and every pregnant woman. We will categorize them into high risk, low risk, and all the departments who are involved. Social welfare is actively involved in that. So you must be knowing how actively the government decided that this is the first priority of the government. And I'm happy to share with you all that in last 5 years, the maternal mortality of the state from being one of the highest in the country has reduced completely to half, and it has become one of the lowest. So maternal mortality is one. But then when we analyze that when we focus on the women's health, it is not just about the women. When you educate a women, when you focus on women's health, you are not just helping one person, but you are helping the whole family, the whole society. Because it is the women who will bear the child. And it has been studied, now it is a part of research, that many times when a mother is not healthy, when a pregnant mother is not healthy, and the child brain is developing inside the womb, the child also after 10 years, 15 years of development will have significant gaps in his mental capacity, in the development, he may have certain diseases which we may not know also that why it is happening to the child. So now the government has also launched a new program which is completely an external aided project funded by World Bank, where we will follow the life cycle approach starting from the adolescent girl. The main problem, the main issue happens is the low iron content, that is anemia. So from focusing on the adolescent girl, then focusing on the pregnant women, then focusing and we all hope that if we work together like this, we will obviously and definitely achieve our goals towards women empowerment, towards a healthy and educated society as well. So apart from this, what I would like to share with you is my own experience in life, how women who were there have shaped me when I was child, because for child, his or her first teacher is his mother. So before even I went to school, I started learning many things about basic maths, basic English. So these kind of roles, if we educate a mother, then we will have an educated society and an educated child. You know that there are issues related to HIV in our district, there are issues, challenges related to drugs related problems in our district. So we have to work together on these issues. And if women can take lead in these things, I am very sure that society as a society will evolve for better. And again, I would like to end by wishing you all a happy Women's Day. Thank you.
Igiman be pun bha ikam wakwa ile bha haga yuga semyori haga imlang sa lang haga chnong gathau haga state yung imoro obi pun bha ikam wakwa tang en ki por fili en ki por wa ye le te ki kam yori tang wa khanai phi nga jingyo yo nga igi punar ko krechtom bha woro obi kelen bha I krechtomi mani kawi kawa jingkar chan ye ki khon ki gobi ye ga yung sem yobi te jingkar chan ya ka chrong thawle ha baro galyam ni nga jingyo yo nga ye semen ga experience nga yo I ki pna I try to ki wi ki man be o trach tom jo ang ni amo ang wi ki man be tu ang mo di yu pa la hoy ta be mo yu tamam na yut ko be na mani kam gibi conswet ta mo yut pa di na mo o kya bari ya ga yut sem tom em de pa ta to be nang krach tom chu chu wa yo pen sa pun tu ni kon kiti la ko mi ga te ga sap ko phong go eu lai ko I gi man be I mani kam gi multitask yang waro I kam gi jam we rap ya gi kon kiti ni pat ke society waro ko mi te tapte de usa ke tuga budget session ka budget speech yang o ka tu simon itu te ko pensia pi ha gani ko wa yong ki SSG namun chua ki SSG MB san hajar mud ha do araja khatra tetap te MB san ko ar hajar mud ki entai wo em ha gani SSG so kuman ando bate kate dang poi whisky dang poi te de ka sarkar ya kani ka yung SSG development I watches pak karo yung snem ahajar apusan apunru the unity ki jingkrak kam ke sarkar mo fi di manbe yo kuchu chupi yo bite ki jingto ye fi kaptam ye ga yung sem yung fi wara obi pati ke society yung wara obi ta bon ba ki kam ki jang wayarap ki kam ki CM care wada development ki chispa kat sokro ki wigi support yung ini ki CM SMS le on ha ki scheme o CM yung I da pamiu nangalyang yung ki empowerment yung ikantan tengah ko orang ipi ini po wasiam ha di manbay chim kini di kebuk sial pada irap ke sorkar pat yegin kiskim wada EGP pen emkam kada bahok ke porom yang pi yang ye biwan ra ikam ngobha agam ni kondo borokon kata tahu emkam do imye ini di officer uye pun wan ra hak ni kejat yang pi habwati hab ini nak dikipat ba hab lentu hab lawat ni hab ya omat hab ya ter kursutia ini officer lagi nomi teman emkam kursutia ini yo ikit nam dayong emkam ba pilih di manbay wada yo begini kebuksian ini skim waper na sorkar siam ha wat talat kuloti yo piyo kata kecing kerchan ha kecing nyong